I joined Integral back in 2012, having spent 8 years at Bureau Happold and 6 years up in London at AKT. I think what I was really looking for at that time was a new challenge, joining a company where they are just really starting out on their journey in Revit, but also BIM. The skills that I picked up over the years, I really wanted to use to lead and grow a business. And at the time, Integral being the size they were and the kind of company they were really forward thinking. It was one of the few out there that were kind of the early adopters of Revit and BIM. And for me, to be honest, they just ticked every box that I had at that time. Where I see BIM being in 5 years' time, it's going to be more model based. The old style of issuing A1 drawings or A3 drawings with all the drawn data information on the drawings, I think will go. I think we'll be looking at more model based data with CDM hazard symbols, actually containing all of the hazards and the roles and responsibilities of different people will all be listed out within the models. All the dimensional data will all be there. And this can also then be used for facilities management going forward and for future building alterations. By far the most rewarding part of my role is seeing the next generation coming through. Being in my position now and with the years of experience that I've got, it's an absolute joy to give advice and guidance to the younger folk and the older folk at times. We have a great range of trainees and technicians and graduates coming through, and it's really encouraging to see people kind of grow and flourish into their roles. By far the best thing that's happened to me this week was completing the Walk of Life for the for Friends charity in the IEH in Bath. It's a local charity to us. It's a fantastic charity. They raise lots and lots of money for the hospital to support all sorts of projects they have going on up there. It's great to know that actually, during the 26-mile walk, the pain that we had was nothing compared to what some of these unfortunate folk are going through. So it's actually quite nice for us to be out there being supported by Integral, raising money for these amazing projects, two of which are our projects. We've got the therapies building and the cancer care building. So it's great that we can be out there assisting the hospital, replacing some of the outdated buildings that they have, and creating new facilities which are specifically designed for the caregivers and the patient's needs. Well, my aspirations for our future, I'd really like us to continue to grow the practice, but what we really need to do is maintain that very people-focused approach that we've always had. We've got an amazing team here, some really talented engineers and technicians, and we deliver on some really amazing projects, really challenging, quite large-scale projects. But going forward, what I think we really need is to take on some really much bigger projects, things that are really going to push us and stretch us and really allow us to stretch our wings.